In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency settings on Etsy, whether you're shopping for the perfect handmade gift or just browsing through Etsy's unique collection of goods. Setting your preferred currency can make the whole experience more seamless and enjoyable. By doing this, Etsy will display prices in the currency of your choice, making it easier for you to understand how much you're spending without constant mental math or currency conversion on the side. Let's dive in and take a look at how you can set this up, especially if you're using the web or desktop version of Etsy. First things first, you'll want to log in to Etsy.com. Make sure your account is open and ready to go before we continue. Once you're logged in, navigate over to Your Account. This should be pretty easy to find, as it's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and then select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. You'll find yourself in a place where you can adjust a lot of personal settings, but for our purpose today, we're focusing on the location and currency options. Within Account Settings, look closely for an option labeled Location Settings, or sometimes just Preferred Currency, under the broader category of Location Settings. When you find it, click on it. Here, you'll see a list of various currencies from all around the world. Identify the currency you wish to use and select it. This is a great opportunity to ensure you're seeing prices in an amount you're familiar with, making transactions easier and clearer. After you've selected your preferred currency, don't forget to click Save Settings. This step is crucial because it ensures that the changes you've made will actually take effect. If, for any reason, you don't see the settings change right away, no worries. Simply refresh the page or consider signing out and then back into your account to help refresh everything. Additionally, there's another quick tip to keep in mind. If you're browsing through Etsy and feel the need to change currencies on the fly, you can scroll to the bottom of any Etsy page. In the footer area, there is often a currency or country language selector. This tool is especially handy if you're in a hurry or just want to switch things up temporarily. And there you have it. With just a few straightforward steps, you're all set to experience Etsy with your preferred currency. I hope this makes your browsing or shopping experience more enjoyable and stress-free. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping on Etsy.